What's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency as a whole, blockchains, how to invest in them, 3 ways to invest into cryptocurrency, crypto blockchain in 2021, going into 2021, because it's something that hasn't been talked about in a while. You can actually, there's three different ways that you can actually get your investments done into cryptocurrency without one, you don't even have to come into the crypto space if you don't believe in the crypto space, right? But the two other ways is definitely you have to come to the crypto space to invest in it. But let's go talking about this real quick, right? So first, of course, if you're already in the crypto space, you already know you invest in BTC if you can, which is crazy because now you're looking at an $18,000 Bitcoin, right? A lot of people missed the boat on 3K. I'm one of those guys. I'm not gonna lie. I invested a little bit around 5,000. I started stacking up a little bit. I seen it drop to 4,000, and I'm like, oh, let me not invest yet. Let me see if it's gonna drop a little bit more. Of course, I should have averaged in like a dummy, averaged down, averaged in, whatever. But I didn't do that. I was still fairly new to everything. I was just seeing how things work. So I do a little bit at 5,000, drop to 4,000, right? I'm like, let me just wait. If it drops to, it's going to drop to 3,000, and it did drop to 3,000. And then I said, I'm gonna wait again, because if it goes to 2,000, I'm pretty sure I can get at least 2 Bitcoin at that point in time. And that was my goal, to get 2 Bitcoin, right? And of course, I missed that boat because it never dropped past 3K. And it just started going up, and I wasn't trusting the market, so of course I did not invest in, which was dumb of me. By the time it hit 5,000, I was like, yo, yeah, I'm not trying to put more in, and if it's going to drop and then I have to restack to try to get my 2 Bitcoin, I was not liking that at all, to be honest. So that was fairly dumb of me. But if I would have got my 2 Bitcoin at 3K, I'd be up a decent amount as of right now, which did not happen. I was sad. I didn't want to just hold one Bitcoin, to be honest with you. I really wanted 2 Bitcoin. That was the least amount that I really wanted, right? But of course, things didn't play out that way. But I still do have my holding in Bitcoin, which is giving me a decent exposure to everything also, because as the market cap to cryptocurrency grows, of course, Bitcoin will grow. So I definitely have my portfolio diverse, as you can see. So I have Bitcoin. That is the first one you guys should try to invest in if you guys want to be less risk averse, right? Depends on how much risk you want to take. Bitcoin is one of the safest routes you can go. You could just hold some Bitcoin, and it's going to grow over time, right? And that's just a longer term hold. So it's not something that you're looking at 1 year, 2 year, 1 year or something. You gotta look at it past. And if you're taking profits on a bull run, then you're playing it smart, right? So that's Bitcoin for you guys. You can invest in Bitcoin. There's plenty of ways to invest in Bitcoin. Coinbase, Gemini. You got PayPal now coming towards it, even though that's technically, you're not really owning the Bitcoin at that point in time. You even got Robinhood that allows you to trade Bitcoin, but you're still not owning the actual Bitcoin. You just trading it, right? Coinbase allows you to actually get the Bitcoin, get the keys, transfer it to your wallet, so you have the keys and you actually have that Bitcoin, right? Now, the second way to invest in cryptocurrencies and blockchain is actually investing in the stocks that invest into basically blockchain and cryptocurrency. Basically gives you exposure to this industry. Some people don't like going into the cryptocurrency route because it's like the wild west over here, right? So you're probably more safe and familiar with stocks. So you could buy stocks that invest in cryptocurrencies, and you'll just be more safer that way. So you're getting exposure to basically the cryptocurrency industry, and you're actually investing in companies that actually invest in blockchain, right? So these are 7 stocks for you guys, and I actually have a bonus 2 that's not up here for you guys to actually check out. Here are the 7 big stocks for you to buy for blockchain and crypto exposure. You got Alibaba, Intel, Intercontinental Exchange, which is ICE. Then you got Overstock. A lot of people should know about Overstock. They've been investing in crypto for a while now. They're making big moves. Then you got Reality Share, NASDAQ Next Gen Economy ETF. So this is an ETF that's investing in Bitcoin also. Then you got Silvergate Capital, SI, and Square. Of course, Square just made a sizable, investment in cryptocurrencies. Now I do have 2 more other cryptocurrencies that actually are decent, and I'm planning on getting my hands on this and investing in them just to give me some other exposure to the crypto industry while I'm in, like, stock market, because the way my portfolio is set up, I'm invested in both cryptos and stocks. So to keep my stocks a little bit more diverse, I want to invest into some companies that are invested into cryptos and blockchain, right? First one I got for you is called Riot Blockchain. As you guys can see, I already know by the name, it's a blockchain company basically, right? This right here, it's blockchain engages in provision and investment services to blockchain ecosystem, as well as manufacturing and intervirtual substance. Its portfolio includes variety. I don't even know what that is. Coinsquare, TestPay. The company was founded on July 24th, 2000. It's headquartered in Colorado. So that's something for it. As you guys can see, this is their earnings. They actually beat out their earnings in Q3 of 2020. So we'll see how Q4 does. This is back a long time ago. As you guys can see, in 2016, I was investing in I was investing in this company. I only bought like 4 shares. I should have held those 4 shares because I bought it at 30 cents. As you guys can see, I bought around 2016. This is when I was getting my feet wet into cryptocurrencies as a whole, stock market, and I seen that the stock market had a stock that was invested in crypto. So as you guys can see, I bought like 4 shares at 31 cents, then another 4 shares at 30 cents. I honestly should have kept those 8 shares because that could have been on decent, right? A little decent profit. It's now $9 if you look at this. That's ridiculous. I didn't even know. I forgot that I invested in this a long time ago, and now just seeing it on Robinhood, that's pretty interesting, right? But that's Riot Blockchain, so you guys can look into that. Then the next one we have for you is called Mara Patient Group, right? Mara Patient Group Inc., common stock, also called as Maritime Patient Group, is a digital asset technology company which mines cryptocurrencies with a focus on blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets. It operates one mining facility in Quebec, which is in Canada. Company was founded in February 2023, 2010, and it's headquartered in Las Vegas, right? So that's Mara for you guys. As you guys can see, it's showing their earnings right here, and it seemed like it's a nice little rise up. We're gonna see how Q4 does for them. Did I buy this? I'd never bought this stock also, but this is something also that I'm looking to buy. I may buy a few shares of it. I will definitely be scaling to this. Right now, I'm trying to put a lot more of my capital into cryptocurrencies, so because they have a higher return, but I definitely want to get Mara and Riot Blockchain into my portfolio for stocks. Now the last and final way, the most riskiest way to invest in cryptocurrency, of course, for higher return, is higher risk, high return. Of course, you got your altcoins. Some people like Ethereum. Some people don't even consider Ethereum as an altcoin. I don't even know, but Ethereum is definitely one of them that a lot of people would go towards to freaking investing in. So you got your altcoins. Ethereum, which is at $566. Of course, the all-time high for it was $1,448, which it can possibly get in 2021. It should get it in 2021, right? So this is going to be leading the way this is one of the coins that's going to lead the way in the market with Bitcoin. And for other altcoins, a lot of people also do love investing in Chainlink, which is at a decent price at $12.15. All-time high for that was $19.83. So that's not too bad, right? You guys can get into it. Link is actually leading the way in the Oracle space, so that is something very good. It's the leading cryptocurrency in that space. So a lot of the altcoins actually follow. A lot of Oracle altcoins actually follow the lead of Chainlink. Once Chainlink starts to pump, most likely those oracles will pump with Chainlink, right? Then you have my favorite ecosystem blockchain, which is Polkadot. Is not a competitor to ETH. Some people could call it a competitor to ETH, but I do feel like it's going to be working with ETH. You know, they having coins that actually bridge to the Ethereum ecosystem. So this is something that's decent that you guys could get into. Is at $4.84 as of right now. All-time high was $6.80. So we could be looking at a decent gain for Polkadot. This is altcoins that you want to invest in, right? They're safer. These are the safer ones, but you actually can take a huge risk in investing in other altcoins that are less safer, you know, less than $100 million market cap, but they do have a crazy higher upside than these safe coins that I just showed you just now with $1 billion market cap, right? So those are the 3 ways that you can invest into cryptocurrency and blockchain and keep yourself diverse between stocks and actually being in the cryptocurrency world. It depends on how you want to expose yourself, right? How much risk you want to take. If you don't know too much of the cryptocurrency space and you're not willing to learn, which you should be wanting to learn these things. But if you don't want to learn and you just want to invest in stocks and things that you already know, you can just look up those stocks that I showed you guys: Riot blockchain, Mara, Square. All of those you can invest in that. That's your comfort level right there. Stocks. Boom, you get your exposure to the blockchain industry, and the cryptocurrency world. So that's my video for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed already yet, please do so. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.